Alright everyone, today is the big day. Now we end our introduction as Python, like a basic Python. We just finished this like mini course. Now is today we make the task session 1, solve 3 question on your own and try test yourself what you have learned in this session, in this mini course like introduction as a Python. So you should need to solve each question, like question 1, print the given string as per started format, like that way your output would like that. Okay, and another problem, and I just create this 10 question. I hope that easy for you, and I hope you can solve it so easily. This every question like this 2 3 the number using that is so easy. I hope you can do that. And every question is too much easy. I hope this session you can do that. And this is the mini video. I just share with you this link, and I'm not talking too much. I just show you this everything, and I will share with you this link. Here is the link. Okay, I just copy it and I just share with you. So let's start, and bye. See you later next video. Bye.